thousands of dollars just by playing games and conducting surveys and more. Let's go to the video. Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Today we are back with an amazing website where you can earn crypto, gift cards or withdraw money through PayPal by using apps, playing games and participating in surveys. You can earn a significant income from this website by doing these simple tasks which anyone watching this video can do. You can check the recent payments made by this website which have been paid through PayPal, like $1.20 and $5.25. To see more payments, you can scroll further down. As you can see, there is a $2 iTunes payment here, which you can use on your iPhone if you have one. Further down, it shows that the popular rewards are mostly in the front of the gift cards, PayPal, crypto, and other options. Besides PayPal and iTunes, people can withdraw their money through Binance, Amazon, Visa card, and other methods. This section shows how exactly this website works. Number 1. Completing the tasks provided by advertisers. The website's partners advertise their products, conduct market research, test apps, participate in surveys, sign up for courses, and more. These are some of the tasks you can do. Number 2. Advertisers pay the website and the website pays you. Each task has an assigned rate that tells you how many coins you can earn from it. The website takes a small fee from the money the advertiser has paid, and a larger portion goes to us. Number 3. The last point is fast and easy withdrawals in various forms. You can receive your money as PayPal or cryptocurrency, and you can also choose from options like Amazon, Steam, Google Play, and other gift cards. Here are some example tasks provided by the website. For example, by completing an ordering process, you can earn $3.15. Another task allows you to earn $9.24, and so on. This part of the website explains how to earn money and coins by completing tasks. Now it explains exactly what these tasks are. The first part is online games. While completing tasks in the games available on the website's platform, you are asked to complete mission or visit specific locations. You will earn coins and enjoy the process. The next section is brand offers, which involves using well-known and valuable brands that will likely be used anyway, leading to earning coins. Let's take a quick look at some fantastic from this website. The total number of registrations on this website is 580,000. The total payments made by this website to its users are $394,000. The number of online users on this website right now is 108. Without further ado, let's go to the registration part of the website and start earning online from home. After creating your account on this website, you will be redirected to this page. This page is actually the dashboard of this website where people are making a lot of money. So let's dive into it. The first section of this website is the offer walls and surveys section. There are 4 tasks here that will give you coins upon completion. You can convert these coins into money, gift cards, or whatever you want to earn. So right from the start, this website gives you coins. This section is the task section, which contains tasks that give you money. For example, in the first task, by completing the ordering process, you can earn 4 coins. By downloading and using this browser, you can earn 2.8 coins. There are a lot of tasks in this section that lead to earning money through simple tasks. The good thing about the tasks we introduced is that anyone can do them. So if you have a few minutes of free time on your mobile phone or your laptop each day, why not visit the website and start earning money? Let's go back to the website's dashboard. From the Earn section, you can access the Tasks section, but don't miss the Referral section of this website. If you can definitely invite your friends to this website. Anyway, this website has tasks for those of who you have free time during the day. You can join the website, invite your friends, or work alone. There are plenty of tasks available on this website with various types of tasks. It depends on you how you prefer to earn money. Do you want to earn money by playing games? Do you want to earn money by installing games or through surveys or other methods? Here is proof of what I said earlier. There are plenty of tasks and they never run out. On the right side, you can see your profile details. You can also switch between day and night modes from this section. Well, my friends, thank you for watching this part of the video. Today's website is earnweb.com, where you can earn your income. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, goodbye.